Hello guys, I am in my bedroom and I am organizing Christmas presents. I did a little bit of Christmas shopping and I'm going to show you how I get organized for Christmas. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we put up new videos. Hello, I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime Cookbook, where you can eat better, spend less. We have a new hardcover with full color pictures and over 1,200 recipes and tips to help you save money on your grocery bill. Check it out at livingonadime.com. All right, guys, I did a little bit of Christmas shopping. Here's the thing. I normally don't do that well with Christmas shopping until it's like 2 weeks before Christmas. I either buy something and then it goes on sale for 10 bucks cheaper, or I buy something and then I find something that actually is better, so then I have to return it. Every year I do this. Drives me crazy. Mom has her Christmas shopping done by Halloween. Me, I try, but it just doesn't work. So I'm going to show you how I get organized anyway. But here's the thing. I am in my bedroom and the kids are all home. So it's going to be interesting to see how this goes. But anyway, here's my system that I'm going to show you that I do for organizing my Christmas presents. Okay, so first of all, here is my planner. This is my 2020 planner. What I do is on December, I go in and I write everybody's name. So I do Mike, Jack, and Mom. Okay. Then what I do is as I get the major presents, I list them under here. So one, I don't forget I already got them because I do that. And two, because then I can see if I have everything I need, because if I go ahead and wrap it, then I'll see what I need. All right. Then if there's something that I'm needing, so let's say I go shopping today, then I would put down here what I'm looking for and what store I'm looking to go to for my Christmas shopping if I was going Christmas shopping today. Now, I'm not going Christmas shopping today, but anyway, that's how I would do it in my planner, okay? And by the way, guys, I only have about 50 of these left for 2021. If you want one, go grab it. All right, now, under here, I've got Christmas presents all under here. I have Christmas presents all under there. I have Christmas present there. There's all my hats for the show. And then I have Christmas presents all in here. Now, here's the thing. Normally, this tote that's buried right here, I just, as I find Christmas presents, I throw them in that tote. Then I keep them all year. Now, right now, this is a bunch of stuff just going back to Mom's. So my Christmas presents are starting to overflow into here, and that's why I'm getting organized. Okay, the first thing I do is I get a box for each person, okay? And then on the outside, I label it with the initial of their first name so I know whose it is, okay? So these are just our book boxes that we do. So Jack, N for Nan, that's what Mom goes by, to not be confused with Mike. Okay, so I only have 3 here right now, just because I wanted to have room to show you, but usually my whole bed is full, okay? Then what I do is I get all the bags piled over here, and then I just start sorting. And what I do is I put everything that I can in the boxes, and if it won't fit in the boxes, then I go ahead and wrap it if I need to. Now, we always get the kids treats that we don't normally buy them. We do not normally buy them this, so this is something that arrives Christmas morning. And then occasionally I buy nifty gifties for myself and have Mike or Mom give it to me. Another one. Nice fluffy socks. Now this is exactly what I'm talking about. Got this for Dave. But then he loves Sweden right now. He loves all things Sweden, and I found a Swedish calendar for him. So now I gotta go return this one. But that's okay. BJ loves cats. Dave loves these flavored waters, so he gets those instead of the Capri Suns. Dave needs new flannel shirts. And sweats. If you're wondering why there's so many, he's lost about 25 or 30 pounds since the pandemic hit. He does jumping jacks every day, like 600 jumping jacks every day. So he'll just come into the living room and just start doing jumping jacks until he gets tired. So he's lost like 25 or 30 pounds. So some of these are doubles because I wasn't sure which size to get him. So I'll probably go ahead and just wrap these up right now. And Jack wanted a new pillow. This is all the after Halloween 75% off candy that they had. And use that as stocking stuffers. And Mom loved these candy cigarettes growing up. Found them at Silver Dollar City when we were there. So got her some of those. Oops. Mom always said that when she turned 70, she's going to take up smoking. Jack wanted one of these for Christmas. Found it at Costco for 30 bucks. And this is a computer. Let's see how to explain it. It's a little... So Jack is really into computer programming and building computers, and this is a mini computer that he can build himself, basically. 30 bucks. Now this is a little magnet, like fidget toy type thing for the boys to put next to their computers, which maybe isn't the best idea since it's a magnet. Now that I think about it. So that is how I start to get organized for Christmas. It's really nothing major. I'm going to go wrap these few things. And then we have got started for Christmas. So here's another little trick that we do. I actually hide the kids' Christmas presents in plain sight. Because they would never suspect that we would actually be hiding them in plain sight.
Wait, that's not the right knee.
How does it feel to be hand and foot weighted on?
Maybe I need to amp it up just a little bit, but it's pretty good.
You're particularly fond of the sponge baths from your favorite nurse. Okay, there's Mike's breakfast right there. And there is the vacuum getting ready to be used by the children today.
See if they can vacuum around Dad.
Yeah. Oh, that's even worse if Dad's instructing how to vacuum. Oh dear.
No, I'm usually instructing and running around and moving things, but
That's true.
that's not going to happen today.
Physical therapy. It's your physical therapy for the day.
Yeah.